Sometimes I honestly just don't know what to cook. But anyway, today I'm going to make this turkey neck. It is very delicious. They call it ghetto oxtail because it looks similar to the regular oxtail. So here I have my turkey neck that I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up. So as you can see, it is already cut, but it's not cut right off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in pieces and wash my oxtail. Did I say oxtail? Turkey neck. So I'm just gonna cut it off like that, right? And once I finish cut it off, I'm just gonna use some lime and vinegar. I'm using both to wash it because it have a very strong smell and I want to get rid of that smell. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And when you subscribe, ensure that you turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss a video whenever I post. I do not know what this white thing that is in the center of the turkey neck is called, but I went ahead and I removed it from it. Once I finish cleaning up my turkey neck, I dry it with some paper towel and now I'm going to go ahead and season it. So here I am using some onion powder and I use a lot because, as I said, it have a very strong, or should I say raw smell, so I use a lot. Also, I'm going to use some garlic powder. You can use the normal garlic. I will be using both. I use some oxtail season. This is optional, but seeing that it is called ghetto oxtail, I'm going to just pour some on it. Now I have this all-purpose season. You can use whatever all-purpose season that you choose. This is my favorite one. I also have this basil leaf that I'm gonna pour on it, and I'm telling you, use whatever you have, whatever season that you like, use it. These are some of my favorite. I have this browning that I'm gonna use. If you don't have browning, no worries, you can burn some sugar if you know how to burn sugar, or you can use some dark soy sauce, not the light one, the dark one. So once I put the season on the meat, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hand and rub it properly. Yes, you can use a spoon, you can use your hand, whatever you decide. So once I finish seasoning my turkey neck, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it and leave it to marinate overnight. You can go right away and prepare it. You don't have to do it for overnight, or you can leave it for 1 hour. Look at that. As you can see, it is well seasoned. This is how I like my meat to season. It is the next day. I'm going to go right away and start cooking my turkey neck. So here I am adding some oil to my pot. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the oxtail. Once I had the oxtail, I'm just gonna leave it. I do not pour any water on it. I just leave it to spring its own water before I put water on it, because I want it to catch color, as Jamaica would say, right? After 5 minutes, this is how it is looking. As you can see, it's spring its own water. I did not pour any water on it, right? So I'm just gonna turn it and then cover it and allow it to cook again. Once it is finished cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some ketchup, not a lot. You can leave out the ketchup if you don't like ketchup on your meat, but I'm just gonna add some. Then once I add it, I'm just gonna stir it. And I have my veggies as well. So for veggies, I have some carrots, some bell pepper, some garlic, Irish potato, onions, green onions, and scallion that I'm just gonna add. Also, I have some green beans. You can use whatever beans that you know, the bean that you use in oxtail. What is it called again? Broad bean. Yeah, but I'm gonna use some green peas instead of broad bean for this recipe. I almost forgot to add the scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some because I want it to be spicy but not too spicy. And once I had that, I'm just gonna cover it and allow all my veggie to cook. Now take a look at this. It is smelling so good. It is tasting so delicious. I hope that you give this a try, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.